So if you're sick and tired of receiving notifications on Instagram, this video will show you how you can turn them off completely. So if it does help you out, please do leave a like on the video and comment down below and we'll jump into it. So what you need to do is head over to Instagram, and then it should obviously load up the Instagram app. Now what we need to do is head over to the bottom right hand corner of your Instagram here, and it should take you to your Instagram profile. Once you're inside of your profile, click on the lines in the top right hand corner and then go to settings. Here in settings, notifications is the second tab down here, so we can click on that and it's going to open up some notification settings. Now there are a couple of things you can do here. You can just pause all of notifications and you can pause it for up to 8 hours, but that's not good if you want to obviously just turn them off completely and you don't want to have to do that every 8 hours. So what you can do is click on posts, stories and comments, and here you can change the notification settings individually. So if you don't want any notifications for likes, you can turn them off. Then you've got likes and comments, photos of you, comments, and you can keep scrolling down them here. You can do the same for following and followers and direct messages here, and just turn on and off what notifications you want. So that's how you can do it, guys. If it helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next one.